Most sailing catamarans stop growing well before 90 feet. The Sunreef 100 next starts there, and it just launched its first hull. Built by Sunreef Yachts in Gdansk, Poland. Composite construction, naval architecture, and design both in-house. The first hull of the line launched in June of 2026, fully electric. Twin 241 horsepower motors fed by composite integrated solar panels rated up to 45 kilowatts, plus custom next-generation battery banks. Under sail, hydro generators turn motion into continuous power. Fumeless, ultra-silent, and built for ocean crossing voyages. Draft, speed, and range figures are available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 94 feet overall, 42 feet of beam. Onboard is 5,393 square feet of living space, spread across a platform built to cross oceans in silence. The aft section hides an invisible garage, storing 2 jet skis and a full run of water toys beneath a reimagined sofa. The Ocean Lounge combines that platform with fold-down bulwark balconies, opening into a seaside terrace with direct access to a toy chest and dive gear. Every interior layout is fully customizable. This is a build-to-order platform, not a fixed catalog boat. Above decks, the Flybridge and foredeck terraces open into shaded lounges and sun platforms for the full run of the day. Bottom line, this is Sunreef's largest sailing catamaran, its first hull already on the water, built for owners who want to cross oceans without leaving a wake of noise or emissions. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.